Welcome back to Craving the Adventure and welcome to Alba. Set in the heart of Italy's Piemonte region, Alba is a place where incredible food, first-class wine and postcard-perfect scenery all come together. In this video, Gary and I are exploring the charm of Alba's city centre, its historic piazzas, hidden laneways and the vibrant energy that makes this town so special. We then head to the iconic Fontanafredda Winery, famous for its Barolo wines, and escape to the stunning remote resorts nestled in the hills just outside of town. Could this region be better than Tuscany? So why don't you grab yourself a glass of wine and maybe a plate of pasta and come and join us as we savour every step of the journey. We head from Milano and travel southwest towards Alba for what is relatively an easy drive of an hour and a half to 2 hours, depending on how fast you drive. We pass through towns such as Alessandria and Asti, and the landscape changes from relatively flat to gorgeous rolling hills of the Langhe region. Located at the foothills of the Alpi Cozie that border France and Italy, this region is especially famous for its white truffle of Alba, the Tartufo Bianco, and Barolo wine, which is known as the King of Wines and the Wine of Kings, made from the Nebbiolo grapes. Piemonte sits on the northwest of Italy, framed by the Alps and bordering both France and Switzerland. Turin, or Torino in Italian, is its capital and located just about an hour's drive north of Alba. Alba has a population of about 32,000 residents, and it is safe to say that the city is a foodie haven. The Langhe region where Alba sits takes its name from the rolling hills that define it. Layer upon layer of vineyards stretching as far as the eye can see. Right in the heart of Alba, you'll find the beautiful Cattedrale di San Lorenzo overlooking the main square. With its striking brick facade and neo-Gothic style, it's hard to miss, and definitely worth stepping inside for a quieter, more peaceful moment away from the buzz of the piazza. Wandering through Alba is pure joy. Think cobblestone streets, cute little laneways and corners that suddenly open up to buzzing spots. There's always something going on here and the smell of amazing food just draws you in. We left Alba and headed to our accommodation for the next few nights. Just a quick 20-minute drive from Alba, tucked into the rolling hills, you'll find Relais Montemarino, and this honestly feels like stepping into a little countryside dream. Set in a beautiful restored farmhouse, it's surrounded by vineyards, greenery and those endless Langhe views. The property itself is beautiful with an inviting heated indoor pool and stunning views over the valley. A standalone restaurant is on site and the beautiful grounds to wander around. The farmhouse has 27 accommodation rooms, all with that special Langhe farmhouse feel, cosy, rustic and peaceful. One of the must-try dishes here in Alba is tajarin, along with another favourite, agnolotti del Plin. And with an incredible Barolo wine, our day couldn't get any better. Just outside Alba, tucked into the rolling hills of the Langhe, you'll find Fontanafredda, and this place is seriously something special. It's set on roughly 300 acres of estate and was founded way back in 1858. It's not just a winery, it actually has royal roots and was originally owned by the family of Italy's first king. Today it's famous for producing the incredible Barolo wine from the Nebbiolo grape, which is one of Italy's most celebrated wines. So we actually bought these 2 bottles of wine and brought them home from Italy when we visited there 2 years ago. So this one here is the Barolo. This one is a 2010 vintage. So it's Barolo Serralungo d'Alba. And then this one here is also the Barolo. It's a larger bottle. I think it's 750 mils. But this one is a 2019 vintage. So we haven't yet opened them. We're waiting for a special occasion. Actually, we might just keep them and maybe open them one day, but certainly not in the near future. The winery is actually now owned by Oscar Farinetti, who is the founder of the global brand Italy. The estate has been revitalised into a unique wine village, making it the perfect spot to experience the best of Piemonte and its wine culture. We took advantage of the winery guided tour, which actually includes a wine tasting. The tour takes you through the entire estate and underground where the wine is aged in massive oak barrels. Prices start from €35 per adult, and it's definitely worth including in your visit. Overall, our Fontanafredda experience was incredible and one that we highly recommend you do. For our final night, we checked into Boscaretto Resort and Spa, perched up on the hills just outside of Alba. And wow, what a way to finish our stay. This resort was about 30 minutes drive from Alba, and again, staying outside the city was definitely a great choice. Non ti richiamerò come tu vuoi, e mentre te non andrai. Surrounded by vineyards and more dreamy Langhe views, this resort had a perfect mix of luxury and laid-back vibes. Come vorremmo noi, non sempre va, non ti accarezzerò come tu vuoi, e mentre te ne andrai, io so. Think big comfy rooms, a beautiful spa, and the kind of setting that just makes you want to slow down. Honestly, not a bad way to end our trip.
Ciao, stasera son qui.
Well, it's safe to say that Alba has completely won us over. From wandering those charming little streets to eating our way too much incredible food and sipping through incredible wine at Fontanafredda and unwinding in the most beautiful countryside resorts. This place really knows how to live well. Between the cosy charm of Reles Montemarino and the luxe vibes of the Boscaretto Resort and Spa, let's just say we were well looked after. So if you're a foodie or you just love a good glass of wine, or maybe 3, Alba is an absolute must and definitely one to add to your bucket list. Now it's off to find our next meal. See you in the next video.